Hello, my name is Rani and I'm shooting this video on Kulin Country in Melbourne, Victoria. I am a senior project officer at the Multicultural Centre for Women's Health, where I take care of the National Education Toolkit on Female Genital Mutilation/Circumcision Awareness, otherwise known as NETFA. And then I'm also the creative strategist at Creatives of Color, which is a platform that exists to uplift First Nations, Black, and people of color creatives. Well, I am a Peranakan Hokkien and Javanese person, otherwise known as Chinese Indonesian, and I'm also a first-generation settler/migrant. My parents sent my brother and I over to Noongar country in Perth as young teenagers, following a political revolution in Indonesia.
I'm Nandita from Sydney. I work at a startup in the fintech space called Alpha Vista Financial Services. As a person of Indian heritage, I consider myself culturally diverse. As a woman of colour, I recognise that I need to make a conscious effort to build my career and develop a strong network based on deep alignment of values.
Hello, my name is Tanni Chowdhury. Currently, I'm working as a psychiatry doctor in emergency department of a tertiary care hospital where I manage acutely mentally unwell patients. Originally, I'm from Bangladesh. This is a Southeast Asian country, and I was born and brought up there. I completed my medical study involved in my interest, which is to serve the females specifically who are coming from different countries, asylum seekers or refugees here in Australia.